Lucky it became a guard again. Right now I'm in the fort with my cats. Oh, bye-bye, P-Carrot. Bro, these stupid fat hands got away. Dang. Oh, the front man just disconnected. Bro, what's happening to these front men? They keep adding up out of the game. Dang, you almost made it to the end. Let me collect your soul. All these kids moving like we ain't gonna get a perfect shot. Okay, let me collect your soul. Give me that soul. How you all the way back there, stupid? All the way back there. She's that homie like they a bird. Like they a homie bird. Bro. You ain't finna make it, little bro. No.
Where that one go?
What you doing? Stop. No. Pissing up my game. Stupid.
Stupid.
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Square
Get back in there.
Square guard. Yay, thanks, square guard. Oh, these stupid cats tails on my screen. Dang. Why you laughing? Why you laughing?
Oh, I can't laugh no more.
Yeah, I think the front man disconnected. Oh, the front man disconnected. He did disconnect. Good. Front man. Let me correct myself right here. Just one. Ah! Stop!
Well, you can put it right there because if it comes this way, I'm going to throw it out.
Ah!
You want to put the cover with you so you're going to have to deal with it. No.
So you bullied the front man too much? Yo, yes, sir. That you bully Isa too much. And he was the front man. You may have to leave the game. Why, bro? Why? Bro. Take her on top. You're a fan of the Goober world? Dang, none of the tigers came here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Rest in peace, Bacon Man. Ooh, give me those souls. But they just stole souls. I need all these souls. No! I was gonna get this stupid soul. Gods. Hey, bro. Y'all stuck. Y'all better find a way to get out. God save me. God save me. Bro, God already died with his stupid self. This cat trying to get out the fort. And let her breathe. I'm letting her get fresh air. Okay, now you need to come back. Mom always watching. You need to die. Because you went to our safe zone. You need to die because you went to our safe zone. That's what you got. That's what you got. That's what you got for coming to the safe zone. I'm finna do an emo. I'm finna emo. What the? Just sit here and chill for the last 25 seconds. And run. Relaxing. Bro! These stupid cats. Where would they lie without themselves? 3, 2, 1, 0. Cookie! Cut the cookie! Yay! Cut the cookie! I hope someone gets an umbrella. I hope they get an umbrella so they can lose and I can shoot them. Okay, let me see who has an umbrella. Who has an umbrella? Oh! Goodbye. Give me your soul. Triangle is easy, stupid. Dang. Give me your soul. Give me the soul! Dang, pushing me, stupid. Give me the soul. Nope. So leave this dude. I think he got an umbrella. I think that dude just got an umbrella. I think he got an umbrella. Oh, he did. I knew it. Because it was taking him too long. Ah! Someone just died. Yes, sir. Someone already finna die. Someone already finna die. See? I knew it. Spam jumper. Ooh, let me collect your soul, though. That's the only thing I need. All of your souls. Give me that soul. Give me your soul. Give me your soul, bro. Bro, I'm getting everyone's souls. Oh, give me that soul, bro. Give me that soul. Hey! Guard safe zone. This time we have Eddie. This time we have 90 seconds. You know the drill. And you know the drill. I'm just letting my cat breathe. But let you breathe. But why they always crying? I'm letting them breathe. I'm letting get some fresh air. Wait, where the other one go? No, where the other one? Where the other cat go? Where he go? He think he's slick. Where he go? Bro.
Probably fell behind the wood.
No, he didn't. He there. He's so black that I can't even see him. I'm finna get squeezed. I'm finna suffocate. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I had a good night. Oh, it's getting cold outside. I'm gonna have to come up. Our next game is tug of war. Yes, sir. Let's jump down. Yeah. I hope the purple team loses. Now I hope the blue team loses. Now I hope the purple team loses. Hello? Hello? I don't see y'all stupid face yet. I better see some faces and some souls. Hurry up! Hurry! Oh my. Well, last one. I'm at second to last one. We're at the second to last one. I'll get these two. I'm gonna get Goku. Goku. I'm gonna be with Goku. I turned away. Oops. I accidentally saw. Whoever. Huh? Where'd he go? Where'd they go? Where'd those cats go? Bro, they keep letting get with their stupid black faces. Okay, whoever gets less than the other, I'll put the gun in their face. Okay. I'm back up.
What a cat.
There are 3 of them on this side and the other side by yourself. Oh, buddy. Don't die here. Don't die now. Don't die, Goku. You should be the strongest, Goku. Goku, you should be the strongest. Okay. Back up, put the gun away. Oh, they both got 8. So that means I'm gonna have the backup and get close to this one. Ah! Dang.
Okay.
Good job, Goku and Bacon Man. Good job. No, Bacon. I don't want Bacon to die. Bacon's not my favorite. No, Bacon. Oh, he dropped his soul. Give me that soul. But this kid's trying to steal the soul. Wait, let me get these souls that they left during the first game, in red light, green light. They dropped their souls and nobody got them. Now I can't even get to that soul that they dropped.
Bro, he doing to both these kids.
Shut up, stupid.
They take up our space.
Hey, let me get this. Why am I laggy? I don't want to disconnect. I don't want to disconnect. I refuse to disconnect. They souls keep dropping like flies. Give me that soul. Dang, rest in peace, Goku. Oh, that's his dead body, but he revived. Dang, Goku, you finna die again? You finna die again? Bro, all he doing is running. Why he get teamed up on my guards? Rest in peace, Goku. Someone has collected your soul, so you're no longer existing. When they grab your soul, you're no longer existing. Ooh, they soul. Bro, how y'all keep collecting souls? Good job. This is why I used to be a fan of the Goober world. This is why you should be a fan of the Goober world, so you can win. Like this dude right here. That's also a fan of Taikor. Stop.